Your everyday jewelry should feel timeless, effortless, and luxurious without the crazy markups. Today, I am unboxing some stunning pieces from Linjer. This is a paid sponsorship with Linjer, a brand redefining luxury with sustainable, high-quality jewelry at fair prices. Plus, I have a special offer just for you. Keep on watching for the details on how to save on your next Linjer piece. Linjer's mission is to empower women around the world with elegant, sustainable jewelry without the traditional jewelry markup. They sell directly to consumers online, cutting out unnecessary costs and using recycled materials whenever possible, including 100% recycled gold and silver. Unlike standard gold-plated jewelry, Linjer's pieces are crafted with gold vermeil, which means they have a sterling silver base and a super thick layer of 22 karat gold plating, 2.5 to 3 microns thick. That is 5 times thicker than regular gold-plated jewelry and nearly 100 times thicker than flash-plated pieces. So you're getting a luxe, long-lasting piece that won't fade. And if you're looking for forever pieces, Linjer also offers solid gold jewelry, making an incredible investment in timeless elegance. This is the 14 gold petal chain necklace Fleur. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the best little everyday necklace. You pop this on. Look at the difference that already makes on my outfit. See, like a tiny little I love this necklace so much, you guys. I've been wanting to purchase something like this. I'm just so grateful. This is so pretty. Everything that I'm showing you today will be linked down below so that you can easily shop these exact items if you like them and you want them for yourself. It's so pretty. Okay, let's keep going. I love their packaging. Nice little piece. What do we have in here? Ooh. This is the tennis bracelet Zilla. Oh my, that's absolutely beautiful. I've wanted something like this, just very simple, but think about it. When you have an outfit that's kind of boring, you pop something like this on and instantly I just feel good. I just feel ready and polished. Ooh, thank you, Linjer. Thank you, Linjer. Yoo-hoo! This is the Moonstone Ring Eliza. It is gorgeous, you guys. My gosh, look at that. Just look at how beautiful that is. That is just, oh, I love it so much. It has 3 tiny little stones and I love that it's this is a great everyday piece because it kind of adds a little flair to your hand, but it's not crazy, you know, it's not like out there like, whoa. It's just really pretty and it feels so comfy on the hand. You know, I get bothered easily by things and by stuff on me, so it just feels really good that none of these feel over the top. Okay, let's open up the last piece. You guys, comment down below. Let me know what has been your favorite so far. Well, I guess let's open this one up and see. What about this one? Because you gotta have all the info, right? Oh yes, okay, this is gorgeous. This is gonna match the necklace. This is a great everyday piece. This is called the Petal Chain Bracelet in 14 karat gold, Florence. So little, dainty, beautiful, matches this little necklace. I am not gonna put this on yet because I'm gonna give you my tips. That was the last jewelry piece, but I'm gonna show you something they sent that is so stinking adorable. It's a little case for your rings and maybe a few of your earrings. This is such a cute little gift for Mother's Day, or my gosh, you guys, this is a great little gift for any person who loves jewelry. I'm gonna give you some tips on styling your everyday jewelry. First tip, for a minimal yet chic everyday look, go for a dainty necklace, some studs or pearls, and your favorite ring. Layering is the secret to effortless style. Try mixing chain lengths and mixing them with your necklaces or stacking rings to add depth and dimension. You can also layer your bracelets, like this little tennis bracelet with this other one. It just looks so pretty paired together. My next tip is to not be afraid to mix metals. Gold and silver together create a modern, stylish contrast that's easy to pull off. You don't have to just stay in only gold or only silver. Mix and match. Obviously, this is like a little silver and gold moment together. This is so cute. Don't be afraid to mix your metals. My last tip is that jewelry is the easiest way to elevate any outfit, from casual to dressy in seconds. You will go from boring to girly pop. You are so cute in a matter of seconds by putting on a little piece of jewelry. See, look at this boring sweater, and then voila, you've got a t-shirt and jeans, or you've got a little sweater and jeans. That will be transformed by you putting on the jewelry. You saw the difference that it happened when I put this on the sweater, and then putting just a little bling on the wrist and a little bling on the hand. It just transforms an outfit. It just makes you look like you put together, like you were really intentional about your outfit, and that makes all the difference. Friends, the details matter so much. You're gonna transform the way you look and feel when you just put a little bit of effort into styling your everyday jewelry. And I hope that this video helped you. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how I can pray for you and support you. I would love to know. I love the community that we're building here. I love you, and I am so grateful that I get to do content that hopefully inspires you to take care of yourself, because you are worthy of caring for. God loves you. Okay, my first impressions of the jewelry, they are absolutely gorgeous. I believe Linjer is going to be your next favorite place to grab jewelry for yourself, for your loved ones, for whatever occasion you need jewelry for. You guys, this has been an amazing collaboration and unboxing. I feel so grateful, and truly, I will be wearing these every day. The luxe is in the details, guys. If you want to look luxurious, if you want to look polished, chic, effortless, Linjer jewelry is all about sustainability, quality, and longevity. And now you can get your own Linjer pieces with a special discount. Make sure to use my code Libier at checkout. You can find the direct link below. All right, friends, and that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Send it to a friend that might need a little help styling her everyday jewelry. I will see you in the next video, God willing. Adios.